Morning guys, and welcome back to Journey to Med. My name is Liddy and I'm a UK based medical student. Today's video is going to be a cheeky day in the life and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I go to medical school.
Outfit check. I packed up my bag, then meal prepped my lunch for this afternoon. I wasn't feeling too peckish today, so I settled with a ham and cheese toastie before meeting Hazal.
There's something about it. You can take your time with me. Slow down, we ain't in a rush. And girl, you got me feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much.
We're on our medical school campus. This is the first time we've been here this academic term. We never come here. We're always at QM, aren't we?
Yeah. It's just a bit prettier, isn't it?
Yeah, just a bit prettier.
Our live lecture started in a few hours, but we had some pre-work to complete, so we set up at our university cafe. Of course, I got myself a caramel latte and a chocolate muffin for breakfast. This week, we started a new metabolism module. On each day, we touched on a different subject such as diabetes, endocrinology, and renal medicine.
There's just something about it. You can take your time with me. Slow down, we ain't in a rush. And girl, you got me feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much.
We got through some of our pre-sessional work, but had to pause it for the live sessions that we had that afternoon.
2 hours later.
Our lecture just finished. Liddy is such a mess. The lecture theatre is now empty. Just had our first lecture. Liddy has taken literally 20 minutes to pack up her stuff.
We went to our student union to have some lunch. While we eat, I thought that this would be a great time to introduce Medify, who have kindly sponsored today's video. I know that some of you watching may have medical school interviews coming up, so I thought that this would be the perfect resource to help you. Their detailed 8,000 word interview guide will help you be ready for any topic of discussion.
We can be some, we can be some. You need some, you need some. Need a reason, we don't need a reason.
They also offer a 7-model answer framework which will guide you in constructing great answers in the way that suits you best.
And girl, you got me feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much.
On top of this, you get access to 10+ insider interview techniques and 100+ must-know terms. This will help you get comfortable with the in-house jargon and how to use it. Be sure to click the link in the description box down below to check out Medify for yourself. Before we knew it, it was time for our next lecture of the day. After lectures, we still had some incomplete work to do, so we went to our other uni building to complete our tasks for the day. As you can see guys, this day was very work heavy.
Alright guys, so we're in our university building called the Garrett. We found an empty room luckily, and guess what we're about to do? You guessed it, more work.
Feeling brand new. Hope I'm not doing too much.
A few gossip sessions and lectures later, we decided to head home at around 6 PM. Thank you guys for watching this very basic and short day in my life. Be sure to check out our other medical school vlogs.